Hello everyone. Do you change your shampoo brand too often? Do you feel that it's not working? Have you ever known the reason behind that? In this episode, you will learn how to make a natural and eco-friendly alternative to your store-bought shampoos with bioenzymes.
The ingredients required for making shampoo include bioenzymes, soapnut solution, shikakai powder, amla powder, green araku powder, hibiscus powder, fenugreek powder, vetiver roots powder, some moringa leaves powder, freshly extracted aloe vera juice, freshly chopped curry leaves, and essential oils.
These ingredients are very gentle on your hair and scalp. They provide deep nourishment and do not leave any deposits on your scalp. Now we will look at the steps to make shampoo using bioenzymes and soapnut solution. These steps include: first, in a bowl, mix together 2 tablespoons of bioenzymes and a cup of soapnut solution. Mix it well. Now we can add all the fresh herbs and powders and the extracts. We just need a teaspoon of each of these. Aloe vera juice and the chopped curry leaves. Mix this well. This mixture should be stored then for 5 days in an airtight container. After 5 days, strain the mixture into a clean bowl. To this mixture, now we add some essential oils. Transfer this into a clean bottle to be used as a shampoo. Now let's discuss some do's and don'ts of making shampoo with bioenzyme and soapnut solution. Use clean and sterilized utensils to avoid contamination. Do store the shampoo in a cool and dry place. Avoid using the ingredients that cause allergies. Always do patch test before use. Don't store the shampoo for too long as it may lose its effectiveness. We encourage each one of you to make this shampoo at home for nourished and healthy hair. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.